Hey there, so in this featured demo, we're actually going to walk through the different options you have to show product details. Now, currently, we have our flyout panel or side drawer from the right-hand side on desktop. On mobile, this would actually pull up from the bottom. So this is an example we're going to show you, and we have some other options as well. So the first thing we're going to do is navigate over to the back end, and we're going to edit an existing bundle, but the steps would be the same if you're creating a new bundle. Okay, perfect. So as I mentioned, currently we have our side drawer panel set up, but we're going to go ahead and select steps from the left-hand panel. And we're just going to choose our first step here. From here, we're going to come down to our variants and details. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at our options for product detail panel. So if we wanted to, we could leave this empty so that there would not be any product details shown on the card. So let me go ahead and save the changes, and then we'll go back to the live site and I'll show you what that looks like. And after we refresh the page, you can see that now we don't have product details on our product cards. So let's go back and look at the next option that we have. So just the product description, this is actually going to show up as a body of text within the product card. So let's go ahead and save our changes there. We'll navigate back to the live page and refresh this page. And then you'll see the product description listed right here within the product card. So this is another option that you have. Let's go back and look at our third option, which is going to be the accordion style. We'll save changes once more. Navigate back to the live site and refresh our page. And now you can see that if you wanted to, again, within an accordion style format, the customer would actually have to click on the drop down in order to see that specific product's details. Now let's go ahead and refresh this or revert this back to our side drawer panel. We're going to go ahead and click on Save Changes for the last time, navigate back to our live site, refresh the page once more. And now you can see we have our view details as a flyout from the right on desktop and again from the bottom on mobile. So this is how you can determine how to show your product details for each of the products accordingly. This is also dynamic per step, so you can change this for each one of your steps the way that you would want to. But as always, let us know if you have any questions. We're happy to help. If you have any future requests, feel free to reach out, and we'll look forward to connecting with you soon. Thank you.